We are relatively new to the machine learning space, so for those of you who don't know us, Silicon Labs is a billion-dollar pure-play IoT company where we focus on wireless solutions through our silicon and software platforms. Over the last few years, we've invested in technologies such as low-power MCUs, security, and integrated AI ML hardware, and that's where we hope to push the boundaries at the tiny edge with ML. With Edge Impulse, we went ahead and put together this demo. We are featuring our MG24 dev kit. It is a Cortex M33 with 256 kilobytes of RAM, and it's running image processing through the use of Edge Impulse's FOMO algorithm, and that stands for faster objects, more objects. And what we're doing is collecting a simulated pathway of images from like a crowded area in China. Connected to our dev kit is an ArduCam, which, by the way, is one of our supported sensors on Edge Impulse Studio. And with Edge Impulse Studio, we were able to build and deploy a model and push that firmware to our dev kit. And with as few as 100 image samples, we were able to detect the people as objects and output the image coordinates of these objects and the probability that the objects at those coordinates are a person. So if we take a step back, we are actually offloading that machine learning onto our hardware accelerator. And this allows the CPU to do quite a bit of processing on its own. So if you can see, this SoC is also running a streaming service where we can output the video feed as well as the bounding boxes for the detected objects. In addition to that, it is also outputting the same inference through BLE notifications. And right here I have our EFR Connect example app, and you can see that it's being updated by notifications, and it's the same data that's being output here through serial. So that's quite a bit that's happening on the SoC, and ultimately that means that applications like this can run on cost-effective SoCs, be disconnected from the cloud, and ultimately save on the cost of the bandwidth and introduce a little bit more privacy for that sensitive data when it's coming to capturing people and recognizing people. And so that's where Silicon Labs is at right now. We're trying to push the boundaries of our ML capabilities with our MG24. If you guys want more information on Silicon Labs and our machine learning, you can go to scilabs.com/AI-ML. Thanks, everyone.